All right, let's make Blendy alcohol marker letters. The paper does matter. I love using this marker paper by Ohuhu for alcohol markers. It comes with a handy dandy protective sheet that you can put under the page you're drawing on, like this. Ta-da! But for now, let's talk about blending. It's easier to blend colors that are close to one another, like these blues. This blue and orange, however, will be a little harder. Let's try it out. I'm going to put the dark blue down first. Then I'll grab my lighter blue and go over where I want it to blend, like this. You can also start with your lighter color first and then add the dark on top. You'll have to go back over it with the lighter color. I usually do dark color first, then light color because it's faster. This way, however, may give you a smoother blend. Okay, obviously we're going to try our funky blue and orange combo. I'll start with the blue. The orange is going to take a little more effort. Something to be aware of is the amount of coloring you're doing with the alcohol markers. They will start to bleed where you're using them heavily. Let's see if I can make that happen. You can also see it kind of on the blue blending. Alcohol marker blending is kind of time sensitive. You're not going to want to put your first color down and then go take care of the laundry or something. We can still add some colors to this though. You just have to revive that medium blue a little, and then you can continue to add your lighter blue. That's the basics. It's time to make some letters. Grab your little protective sheet and put it under the page you'll be using. You can use anything here, but you definitely want to put something down because alcohol markers will bleed right through. Let's draw some letters. You can do this two ways, by winging it or by planning it out. If you're winging it like me, grab your lightest color and draw the letter. If this is too wild for you, get your pencil. Unless you're drawing dark colors, alcohol markers will not cover up pencil lines. You can always add an outline at the end to hide them. Now I'm just going to blend from dark to light, so I'm going over my light blue lines with the dark blue. Let's get these covered up. You want to color just over where you want your blend to be. Grab the second color and go over the first. If there's a spot you want to concentrate on, you can do little circles or go back and forth. Remember though, the more you mess with it, the more it will start to grow outward. Let's slow this down. This is what real time looks like. I'm not actually coloring as quickly as the video is showing. Remember to take your time. Get your blends how you want them. Go over the initial marker lines from when you planned out the letter. We're going to do the exact same thing on the second letter. I like to start with the dark and then go lighter just because it feels faster and easier to me, and I end up with results that I like. I am mixing it up here and working from the bottom up. You can also put your dark color anywhere on the letter and blend it out from there. Switch it up a little. Okay, we will work from light to dark on the U just to show you a different way to blend. Once I get my light blue down, then I'm going to go over it a little with the medium blue. Then I go back over it again with the light blue to blend out that line we created. So it is possible to blend light to dark or dark to light. So if you accidentally start with the wrong color, it's totally cool, totally fixable. You can do it either way. For the E, I'm going back to my regular dark to light method. I'm going to speed this up. Let's just get this one blended real quickly. I'm going to outline with a Sharpie to clean up the edges of my letters. You can totally use an alcohol marker here, and I usually would. It's just that my dog is sitting on my chair with me, and this Sharpie was already within reach, so we didn't have to interrupt the dog. Always important. I probably would have looked for an even darker blue alcohol marker for the outline. I'm adding a shadow with the Sharpie as well. I like to make the outline on the right side of the letter and the bottom of the letter a little thicker. This is also a great technique for hiding errors or changing up the width of a letter. I'll show you on this U. So instead of thickening the outline on the outside, I'm going to bring it in and color on top of the alcohol marker. This would obviously only work if you're using a color that can go on top of the colors you previously used. I'm going to finish up the outline, and then I think we should add a little white to this because sometimes you just don't know when to stop when you're lettering. Add all the things, right? I do like adding white to letters that get all dark like these. It makes them stand out a little more. So I'm using a Uniball Signo and I'm drawing lines along the right and the bottom. So same place where my outlines are thickened. And that's it. I hope you learned something about alcohol marker blending or even just had a little fun with lettering. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.